Hello, my name is Sabia and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Polo style 1.0 TSI 95 PS and it currently has around 16,500 miles on the clock with one previous owner. It comes painted in the stunning Smokey Grey Metallic finish which looks absolutely fantastic with the VW badge detailing to the front and the rear of the vehicle. Here are our stunning alloy wheels that really do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the vehicle. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful wing mirrors do hold them unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough to fit stuff like shopping bags, so we're in a pram, and we do have the additional storage space underneath there for a spare wheel or height. Following on, we can see this Polo really does have some lovely and well-maintained interior, as you can see above the ISO fixed points at the back, as well as our USB-C type ports, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, giving you and your passengers a relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring that all is in the correct times, alongside the controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage, also the MIV, and we do have our assist systems, featuring the adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed while driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Armor Link, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detail display will keep you on track to your suited destination and best possible route, and we can also show the smart cluster, making it easy and safe for us to use. Now with this stunning car, you do get your park pile, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors ensure safety, especially when maneuvering out those busy places like shopping centres. The parking can be really tight. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen Approved Used warranty and 2 years roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520 or inquire online now.